Hi, hope you all are doing good. So, for today, we will be learning about the Google Classroom with the teacher's perspective, how we can create a class, customize its name or banner, make an announcement, create a task or assignment, invite students to the class. So, let's begin. First of all, open your browser and search for Google Classroom. So, you'll have to make an account if you haven't made one. I already have it, so I will just simply go to sign in with the Google Classroom. So let's understand its basic UI. Here you have all the classes mentioned over here. On the top left corner you have a hamburger icon, which is basically your sidebar. You have home, calendar. This part reveals the classes which you have built for the students, and these are the classes which you are enrolled in. For now, we will just go to create a new class. You can see on the top right corner we have this plus icon. Click on it, you will get two options: join class or create a class. For now, we will create one. Just click on it and it will give you some terms and policies. Just accept it and continue. We will have four fields to be filled. First one is the name, which is required. So we will type over here like web development. Let's give it a section A, subject HTML and CSS. We will leave this option blank. Simply click on create. Great. Now we have created our new classroom. Now the second step is to customize its name or banner. You can see over here we have the customize option. Just simply click on it. Now you can select pre-default images in the mentioned categories, or you can just upload a new photo from your system. Let's say we can upload this one for now. The photo you uploaded is too small, it must be 1800 pixels. Okay, so let's select another one. Yes, select class theme. So we will go with the theme which is matching our banner image. You can see we have updated the banner successfully. Great. Now on the third step, which is very important, that how we can make any announcement to our students. You can see this bar, it says announce something to your class. Now we will have to write it over here, alert your yesterday's your tomorrow's class is being cancelled. Okay, great. Now we can style this text a little bit by making it bold or italic, underline. We can also underline it, or we can make some bullet points like this. You can also upload any image over here. Let's consider we will upload this one, and now simply you can post it. So here it is showing the classes. We have selected the web development. It will go towards the all students. Now simply post it. Now this announcement will be shown to all the students in our classroom. Moving further towards our next task, which is create a task or assignment. So it's the main part overall in the class. Let's go toward the classwork section, which is on the top. Now you will see the create button. Click it and it will ask you that is it a assignment, quiz, question material or reissue post. So we will create an assignment for now. The title of the assignment will be create a landing page for your portfolio. You can also mention some instruction which are optional. You can leave it or you can give it. So I will write, you will only have to use HTML for this assignment. Great. Now we can also upload any image over here. Let's upload this one. Okay, here you can see the option that says students can view file, student can edit file, make a copy for each student. So for now we will just keep it as a student can view file. For here you can see the class which is selected assigned to all the students point. We can change the point of the assignment. I will keep it as 20 points. The most important part over here, which is the due date. So basically what it does, you can set a due date for this assignment. Let's consider I want this assignment to be submitted by 1st March 2025. Now I will select it, and now it is asking that close submission after due date. So what it happens over here, if you don't check this option and the date passes, the student will still able to upload the assignment, but you will shown those students who have the Google Classroom will make category of the both students, the one who have submitted the assignment on the time and the other who have submitted the late assignment. Or if you click on close submission after due date, so when the date passes, no one will be able to submit the assignment. Now let's assign it. So now you can see that we have created a new assignment for our student, and you can see its analytics, that how many students have turned in or how many students have assigned the assignment. Great. So let's move to the last part, which is in how we can invite the students to the class. On the stream section you can see this class code. Simply copy it and give it to the students so that they will be able to join the class. So thanks for now. See you in the next video.